This is Dr. Troy Fullerton from Bilingual Barrier Busters. Tonight I want to talk about a strategy for developing a more native sounding style to your Spanish. This will actually work with other languages as well, but there is so much more to the way a word, or not just a word, but the way speech sounds, than just the individual letters and making those letters. Stop and think about it. There's a certain nasality that changes from language to language, but also from region to region. There's a certain darkening of some letters. We hear it even in English. In some places, the word Coke might sound like Coke. In other places, it sounds like Coke. There's a certain rhythm. There's a tone of voice. And if you catch yourself, you might find that you say letters differently at the first part of a word than you do at the end of a word. How do you pay attention to all of that? How do you monitor all of that as you develop your language skills? Well, there's one really handy way to do this that I highly recommend, and that's called shadowing. And it can work as simply as this. Find a YouTube documentary or a video with a lot of speech in it, or even some kind of a talk or something. If it's not on YouTube, then check out something else. But find something, even Audible books will work. But find something, and at first you might want to slow it down. But then all you're going to do is this. Listen to it. Turn on subcaptions if you have to really get down what it says, and practice the new words. That way you know exactly what you're saying, and you know what it means. Now, go back and play it. Slow it down a little bit if you have to. Play it, and as it plays, simply say the words that the other person is saying, but try to say it with the same tone of voice, the same intonation, up and down, the same accent. Try to copy what that person is saying. In fact, try to become that other person as you speak, and notice what happens. You're going to notice tightening in your throat or loosening. You're going to notice how it's the same, how it's different. Give this a try. You'll be amazed at how fast your skills progress.